Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video, and now we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 9, which is called palindrome number. In this problem we are given an integer x and we need to check whether it is a palindrome number or not. A palindrome number is a number that remains the same even after reversing its digits. For example, 1 to 1 is a palindrome number because reversing it gives 1 to 1, while 1 to 3 is not palindrome number because by reversing the number it becomes 3 to 1. Solve this problem. First we check whether the number is negative or not. If the number is less than 0, we directly return false because the negative number can never be palindrome. Right. So first we'll move to the code, and first of all we make an if condition. If x less than 0, return 0. Okay. After that, we'll declare two variables. First is int num equals to x, and second is int rank equals to 0, int answer equals to 0. Okay. After that, we will run while loop, and that run until the num becomes 0. Inside the loop, we will first extract the last digit using the modulus operator, like this. Rank equals to num modulus 10. For example, the number is 1 to 1. By this process, the last digit is given to us. It gives 1. Okay. After extracting the digit, we remove the last digit from the number, dividing by 10. That is number divided equals to 10. Okay. Then after, we'll check the runtime error condition. Like this. This is same as the US number. Answer less than int main divided by 10. Then after we'll return 0. After that we'll find answer equals to answer into 10 plus reminder. This process is same as the reverse number process. This shifts the previous digit to the left and adds the new digit from the end. After the loop finishes, we compare the reverse number with answer by using if condition. Answer equals to x, then return 1, and else return 0. So this is our code. Let's check it. Okay, you can see here all the three conditions are acceptable, and submit it. Okay, so this is the solution of LeetCode problem number 7. Thank you.